Hey guys, it's Clinton and welcome to the Only Profits Academy, and today I'm going to be going short on the Euro Yen, and it's going to be a very quick scalp. I'm just going to be selling the market to 131.293. It's going to be close to 18 pips in profits if the market goes in my direction. And the reason why I'm getting into this trade is because what I am seeing right now is a price where the banks are going to be taking the market to, and that is exactly what I am attempting to do right now. Everything looks good. Let's see how the trade plays out. I'm going to get back to you guys in a bit. Stay tuned, and hey guys, have a nice one. There we go. The trade took a couple of minutes, but we're back, and we're back in profits. And yeah, why did I get into this trade? Like I said earlier on, the market showed me a price where the banks are going to be taking the market to. And if you've been paying attention to the Euro Yen recently, we've been on a sell trend, on a very heavy sell trend, at least since the 15th of June. Yeah, on June right now. Yeah, so it was it was a no-brainer, because obviously the market was in a sell trend, it was a sell trade, and yeah, it was just played out beautifully, as you can see. And I left the market with over $1,300 easily, effortlessly, simply by looking at the market, understanding every single detail it's trying to reveal to me, and following it to profit. And bear in mind, I have said this before, the market is not just always going to respect certain myths and ideologies that you guys have of it. The market is dynamic. There are different things and different things market is reacting to, basically. And I have perfected the art of understanding the flow of the market, the forces that control the market, and that is what I show here on the channel, and that is what I teach. So if you want to buy the course, you can send me a message, and if you don't have access to my signals, you can also go ahead and send me a message or visit the website. Beautiful trade, very easy. It was a no-brainer. Sell trend, sell trade, following the trend and following the market to profit. Pretty much that'll be all for today, guys. I intend to make this video very short, and I started this account from $5,000, and I have made over $1,700 in a couple of trades. And yeah, pretty much that's just it. And like, share, and subscribe so you can get some more videos like this and really get to understand how I look at the market, how I make profits consistently, and basically just showing you my the trades I take every day and how I trade, basically. Signing out. Like, share, and subscribe one more time, and hey guys, have a nice one.